Good morning, folks. I am Himanshu Dusani, and today we are continuing our lecture on quadratic equation. In previous lecture, we have seen the formulas based on completing the square method. Now, today we are going to identify the roots of the quadratic equation by the method of formula method. What is formula for identifying the solution? So let's see. Formula method for roots of quadratic equation. General expression for the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by twice of a. This is the formula for identifying the roots of the given quadratic equation. Let us see how we can solve the problem based on these formulas. First question I am taking from the exercise 4.3, question number 1, fourth part. Question number 1 of exercise 4.3, fourth part. Fourth part says that 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. We have to solve this equation by formula method. Two x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. First, writing the general equation for this: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing it, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 4. Now, formula is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substituting the values, first solving for the positive sign, x is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substitute the values from here. Minus b is 1 plus under root of b square. B square is 1 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 4 upon twice of a. Minus 1 plus under root of 1 square, 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Upon 2. Now this is equal to minus 1 plus under root of minus 31 upon 2. This is the first solution for x is equal to minus 1 plus under root of minus 31 by 2. Here we are getting the negative term under the root. So this root is imaginary root for the given value. So we can say that root is imaginary. Now solving for the negative part. X is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substituting the values here, minus b is 1 under root of 1 square minus 4ac, a is 2, c is 4 upon twice of a is 4. So this will be minus 1 minus under root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 4 is 16 to the 32 upon 4. So this will be minus 1 minus under root of minus 31 upon 4. So x is equal to minus 1 minus of under root of minus 31. Here also we are getting the negative term under the root. So the roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. Now solving the question number 4 of the same exercise by formula method. This is the word problem. Now solving the word problem, question number 4 of exercise 4.3. The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age in year 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Let the Rahman's age be x. Rahman present age bx. Condition is given that sum of means plus reciprocal of means 1 upon 3 years ago. Rahman's age 3 years ago. 3 years ago means x minus 3 and 5 years from now, and 5 years from now means x plus 5 is 1 by 3. We have to identify the value of x. We have given that the reciprocal of age 3 years ago sum with reciprocal of age 5 years after is equal to 1 by 3. We have to identify the value of x. Now cross multiplying this, x plus 5 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Solving the numerator first, x plus x will be twice of x, plus 5 minus 3 will be plus 2. Taking this denominator in the numerator, this will be x minus 3 into x plus 5, and taking this 3 in the numerator, so this will be multiplied over here. Now solving this, we will be getting 3 to the 6x plus 3 to the 6, x into x is x square, x into plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Now solving this, taking 6x plus 6 in the right hand side, x square plus 5 minus 2 will be 5 minus 3 will be 2x minus 15 minus 6x plus minus 6 is equal to 0. We took this 6x plus 6 in the right hand side. Now further solving this, x square plus 2x minus 6x will be minus 4x, minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 0. Now comparing this with the general expression ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 21. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. First solving for the positive side. X is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substituting these values in that, we will be getting minus 4 plus under root of minus 4 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 21 upon twice of a is 1. Minus of minus plus 4 square is 16 minus 4 ones are 4. This is minus 21. So this will be minus into minus is plus. 4 into 1 will be 4. 4 2s are 8 upon 2 into 1. Now further solving this, 4 plus under root of 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 2 100 upon 2. So this will be 4 plus, this 100 can be written as 10 into 10 and 110 can be taken out from the under root. So this will be 4 plus 10 will be 14 by 2. Cancel out this, so this will be 7. Similarly, solving for the negative sign, x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substituting the values, we will be getting x is equal to minus of minus 4 minus under root of minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 21 upon 2 into 1. Solving this, we will be getting 4 minus 10 upon 2. So this will be minus 6 by 2. Cancel out, you will be getting minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. We know that the age cannot be negative. So we have to take the positive value. Means x is equal to 7 is the present age of the Rahmans. Now let us move to the nature of the roots and question based on it. Here in the formula method, we are having the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. The term which is coming under the root, which is b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. Which is denoted by d. If suppose d comes out to be positive, then roots are real and distinct. Distinct means different values. We are getting the different values. Suppose alpha and beta are the roots, so we will be getting two different values of alpha and beta. And if d is equal to 0, that means roots are real and equal. Real and equal means the values of the roots can be defined and they are equal, means alpha is equal to beta. And if d is less than 0 or negative, then the roots are imaginary, means roots cannot be defined on the coordinate axis. So in this manner we can know the nature of the roots if we find out the value of discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. Now let us see the question based on this. Question is from exercise 4.4, question number 2, second part. Question says that find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. In the question, this is given, question number 2, second part of exercise 4.4. Condition is given that the roots are equal. Roots are equal means d is equal to 0. What is d? d is b square minus 4ac. We have to identify the value of k. And the equation is given kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now solving this, first multiplying kx in the bracket, kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general equation of the quadratic equation. Comparing the coefficient, a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Substituting the values in this, b square will be 2k whole square minus 4, a is k, c is 6 is equal to 0. Condition is given that d is equal to 0. Now solving this will be 4k square minus 4k into 6 is equal to 0. Taking this 4k 6 in the right hand side, 4k square is equal to 4k into 6. 4 is cancelled out with 4 and square is cancelled out with this k, so k is equal to 6. So the value of k is 6. In this manner we have to solve the questions. Now let us see one more question based on this. Question number 5. This is the word problem of same exercise 4.4. Question says that it is possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square. If so, find the length and the breadth. Perimeter is given to us 80 meter and area is given to us 400 meter square. Let the length be x and breadth be y. Perimeter of rectangle 2 times of length plus breadth is equal to 80 meter is, which means 2 times of x plus y is equal to 80. Second equation is given area of rectangle. Area of rectangle will be length into breadth, so this will be x into y is equal to 400 meter square. This is 80. This can be written as y is equal to 400 by x. Substituting this value of y over here in the perimeter equation, 2 into x plus y is 400 by x is equal to 80. Taking the LCM and solving this, we will be getting 2 bracket x square plus 400 by x is equal to 80. Taking this x in the numerator, 80 into x, taking this 2 in the denominator, so this will be 2 is equal to x square plus 400. This will be cancelled out, 40, so this will be 40x. Taking this 40x in the left hand side, x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation of the given word problem. Now question is asked, is it possible to design the rectangular park? If so, first we have to identify that it is possible to design the rectangular park or not. So we have to identify the nature of the root. If the nature of the roots are real, then we can definitely make the park. So writing the general expression ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing the coefficient, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 40 and c is equal to 400. Now identifying the value of d, which is b square minus 4ac. b is minus 40 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 400. Now minus square is positive, 4 square is 16, double 0, minus 4 4s are 16, double 0. So this will be 0, means d is equal to 0. Roots will be real and equal. That means roots are real and equal. That means the park can be made. Now let us find out the values of x. We can use the formula method for solving this. First, writing down the equation. X square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Solving for the positive term, minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substituting the values, we will be getting minus b is minus of minus 40 plus under root of b square will be minus 40 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 400 upon twice of a is 1. Minus into minus will be plus, 40 plus under root of 40 square is 1600 minus 1600. upon 2. This will be 0, so 40 by 2. Cancel out, it will come out to be 20. So x is equal to 20 is the answer. Now solving for the negative part. Solving for the negative part, x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substituting the values, minus 40 minus under root of minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400 upon twice of a. Twice of a will be 2 into 1. Solving this, we will be getting x is equal to 40 minus 0 by 2, which will be 20. So x is equal to 20. We are getting the value x is equal to 20. Substitute that x is equal to 20 in this. Y is equal to 400 divided by x, which is 400 divided by 20. Cancel out, you will be getting 20. So y is equal to 20. Breadth is 20 and length is also 20. Breadth is 20 and length is also 20. So these are the required value of the given rectangular park. Now let us see one more word problem from exercise 4.3, question number 8. Question says that a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 5 km per hour more, it should have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Let the distance traveled by the train is 360 degree. This is question number 8, exercise 4.3. Distance covered is 360 km. Let the speed be x. Speed of train. Speed of train Vx kilometer per hour. Time taken to cover 360 km is t hours. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is x, distance is 360, time is t. So I can write time t is equal to 360 by x. This is first equation. This is first equation. Second condition is given that if the speed had been 5 km/h per more, speed is increased by 5, means this new speed will be x plus 5. Speed is increased by 5 km/h more, it would take 1 hour less. 1 hour time, new time will be t minus 1. 1 hour less means t minus 1. For the same distance, for the same journey of same distance. So distance will be same, 360 km. Now again writing speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is x plus 5 is equal to distance is 3 6, time is t minus 1 upon time. Time is t minus 1. Now taking this t minus 1 in the numerator, x plus 5 into t minus 1 is equal to 360. Substituting the value of t in this, substituting the value of t from first, and this will be getting x plus 5 into t is 360 by x minus 1 into 360. Taking the LCM and solving this, x plus 5 into 360 minus x upon x is equal to 360. Taking this x in the numerator, x plus 5 into 360 minus x is equal to 360x. Multiplying this in the bracket, x into 360 will be 360x, x into minus x will be x square plus 5 into 5 0 0, 6 5 is 30, 5 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18. 1800 minus 5x is equal to 360x. Cancel out this 360x, 360x will be getting, taking negative sign common and multiplying with the negative sign, so this will be positive x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation, x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now further solving this quadratic equation, x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to minus 1800. Using a formula method, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Solving for the positive sign, x is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substituting the values, will be getting minus b will be minus 5 plus under root of b square means 25 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 1800 upon twice of a is 1. Solving this, will be getting minus 5 plus under root of 25 minus into minus plus 4 0 0 0, 4 0 0 0, 8 4 32, 4 on the 4 7. This will be 2. Now minus 5 plus under root of 7 to 25 by 2. Now solving this, x is equal to minus 5 plus 7 to 25 is under root of 85 square means 85 by 2. This will be 80 by 2. Cancel out, you will be getting 40. x is equal to 40 km per hour. Now solving for the negative part, minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Substituting the values, we'll be getting the same term with the negative sign, minus 5 minus 85 by 2, which will be minus 90 by 2. Cancel out, minus 45. So speed cannot be negative, so we have to take the positive value, which is 40. So x, speed of the train, speed of train is 40 km per hour. I hope you got the idea how we can solve the word problems by using the formula method for identifying the roots of the quadratic equation. Thank you.